Let's be real. Nothing hurts more than being invisible to the one you want most. You give her attention, you're consistent, you show up, and she barely notices. But what if I told you that you can flip this dynamic? That even a woman who's cold, distant, or flat out uninterested can end up thinking about you nonstop? Not by chasing her, but by becoming a man whose absence hits harder than anyone else's presence. 1. Stop trying to convince her. One of the most common mistakes men make when a woman seems uninterested is they immediately go into convince mode. They think if they just say the right things, do the right things, or show how good they are, she'll suddenly see them in a different light. But here's the cold truth. Convincing is low-value energy. Attraction doesn't come from logical persuasion. It comes from emotional impact. And the more you try to convince a woman to see your worth, the more she assumes you don't have any. Think about this. Have you ever been sold something by a pushy salesperson? Even if the product was decent, their desperation made you pull back. That's what happens when you try to prove your value to a woman who isn't interested. It reeks of neediness. It signals that your confidence is dependent on how she reacts to you. And that is the opposite of what sparks desire. Here's the psychology. When someone pulls away and you lean in harder, you create imbalance. That imbalance pushes them further. Women are emotional creatures. They're not evaluating you like a job resume. They're feeling you. And when your energy feels like desperation, they lose respect. Because real attraction isn't about proving anything. It's about being something worth missing. Instead of chasing or explaining yourself, pull back. Let her feel the absence of your presence. Let her notice the shift. Because that shift, that sudden emotional silence, is where curiosity begins. And curiosity is the first seed of missing you. When you stop trying to win her over and start acting like you're already enough, something powerful happens. You change your frame. You stop being the guy begging for attention, and you become the man she needs to earn access to. That's when the energy flips. She starts thinking, wait, why did he stop trying? Is he seeing someone else? Was I wrong about him? Those questions are emotional hooks. They only show up when you remove the need to be liked. So instead of sending that long paragraph, don't. Instead of liking her latest post, resist. Instead of trying to be the nice guy to prove your worth, be silent. Silence isn't weakness. It's strength. It's mystery. It's power. In a world full of men who chase, the man who walks away with grace becomes unforgettable. So if she's not showing interest, stop showing effort. Focus that energy on building yourself, not proving yourself. Because when you stop trying to convince her, you become someone she starts questioning, and that's where the game really begins. 2. Be less available, more valuable. Most men believe availability equals affection. They think showing up 24/7, texting back immediately, and always being ready to talk will make a woman appreciate them. But that's not how female psychology works. In fact, it's the exact opposite. Constant availability signals lack of value. Here's why. Human nature places more value on what's rare, not what's abundant. If your attention is always on tap, it becomes background noise. She doesn't have to work for your time, she doesn't have to earn your interest, and as a result, she takes it for granted. Now contrast that with a man who is building, growing, and moving forward. A man who is intentional with his energy. He replies when he chooses to. He's selective with his time. Not because he's playing games, but because his life is already full. That kind of energy is magnetic. It tells her, I'm not waiting around. I'm living. When you become less available, 2 things happen. 1, she starts to wonder, why hasn't he texted? Is he losing interest? Who's he spending time with? And 2, she starts feeling the emotional cost of not having your presence around. That's when she starts missing you. Availability should be earned, not handed out. Your time, attention, and effort are valuable resources. And when you treat them that way, she will too. 3, create emotional imprints, not empty talk. Most guys talk too much. They fill silence with small talk, over-explain their feelings, and dump their entire personality on a woman in the first week. But emotional connection doesn't come from volume, it comes from impact. To make a woman miss you, she has to feel you even when you're not around. That means creating moments that leave a mark. Not with grand gestures or corny lines, but with presence, with calm intensity, with words that hit deeper than surface level talk. It's about saying less, but meaning more, making eye contact that lingers, pausing before you respond, speaking from a place of certainty and mystery. Women crave emotional depth. When you give her too much too soon, there's no curiosity left. But when you hold some of yourself back, when you make her lean in to understand you, you plant emotional anchors in her mind. She'll replay your conversations, she'll analyze your silences, and she'll crave another moment with you. So remember, stop trying to impress with words. Start leaving impressions with presence. That's how emotional imprints are made. 4. Let your absence become power. Disappearing with purpose is one of the most underestimated moves in dating. It's not ghosting, it's not emotional manipulation. It's a strategic withdrawal that communicates, I am not desperate for attention. I respect myself too much to stay where I'm not valued. Women today are bombarded with attention. DMs, likes, compliments, they're all around her. What she's not used to is silence. That's where your power lies. When you go silent, not out of spite, but out of self-respect, you interrupt her rhythm. She starts to notice your absence. She starts to feel the space you once filled. And if you've made enough emotional impact, she'll start to crave that presence again. Silence is a mirror. It forces her to reflect. And if you've been showing up with integrity, calm energy, and masculine confidence, your absence becomes more powerful than any words you could speak. 5. Be talked about, not heard from. You don't always need to say something to stay on her mind. In fact, the most unforgettable men aren't loud, they're mysterious. They live fully and let the world do the talking. Here's how it works. You step back. You go silent. But while you're gone, you level up. You post a photo from a solo trip. You share a win from your business. You're seen with friends, smiling, relaxed, glowing. Not for her, for you. But the effect it has on her, huge. She starts hearing your name again. From mutual friends, through stories, from the algorithm. And every time she does, she remembers. The guy who's no longer chasing her is still rising. This indirect influence is powerful. It's soft pressure. No confrontation. No trying. Just undeniable presence in absence. And that's when she starts checking your story in silence, asking her friends, replaying the version of you she now sees as someone she may have underestimated. 6. Become the man. She overlooked, then regrets. If she didn't notice you before, good. That means you have space to evolve without expectation. Most men try to win a woman over by staying the same but trying harder. But that's not the way. The real power move: upgrade, quietly, relentlessly. Go hit the gym, level up your mind, master your craft, expand your life until it's too big for her to ignore. When she sees the shift, the new energy, the new confidence, the new you, she'll start to feel the gap. She'll remember the man she once brushed off and realize he became someone she might never get access to again. That's when respect enters the picture. And respect is the seed of attraction. Let your glow up be the lesson she never saw coming. 7. Make her feel replaceable without saying it. Most women subconsciously believe they're irreplaceable, especially if they're used to male attention. But the moment you show her, subtly, that your life goes on without her, it shakes that foundation. You don't have to say it. You live it. You don't double text. You don't chase dry replies. You don't reward half interest with full effort. You give just enough to show you're grounded, but never so much that she feels like she owns your emotions. And when she sees that her absence doesn't break you, it disturbs her ego. Because now she has to wonder if you even saw her as that special to begin with. That quiet detachment, that calm distance. That's what makes her start questioning her role in your world, and that's the beginning of missing you. 8. Be the question that haunts her. You don't want to be the guy she figured out. You want to be the guy she keeps trying to figure out. The moment a woman fully understands a man, she boxes him up, mentally, emotionally, sexually. Curiosity dies. So don't give her that satisfaction. Leave some of yourself unexplained. Let her guess what your next move will be. Let her wonder why you're not affected, why you didn't try harder, why you let go so easily. Those unanswered questions. They don't just keep her intrigued, they keep you in her thoughts. And the longer you stay there, the deeper the emotional hooks go, until eventually she doesn't just think about you, she feels the lack of you. That's when the missing becomes real. 9. Final shift. Detachment over desire. At the core of every powerful man is one skill: emotional detachment, not coldness, not numbness, but the ability to stay centered, no matter who stays or leaves. If you want to make any woman miss you, especially one who wasn't interested before, the most important shift you can make is from desire to detachment. Desire makes you chase. Detachment makes you choose. You no longer need her attention. You no longer crave her validation. And because of that, you become the man she notices. The man who's hard to read, hard to get, hard to forget. Because here's the truth. Women don't miss the man who needed them. They miss the man who didn't. The one who walked away with grace. The one who never begged. The one who knew his value before she ever acknowledged it. Be that man, and she'll miss you long after you're gone. Now you know the truth. Making a woman miss you isn't about chasing, convincing, or playing games. It's about becoming so centered, so self-respecting, and so purpose-driven that your absence leaves an imprint deeper than your presence ever could. She doesn't miss the man who begged. She misses the man who disappeared without explanation. The man who valued himself more than he ever valued her validation. That's you now. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment and type, "I move in silence, not desperation," if you're ready to shift your energy. Subscribe to Psychology Insight if you want more truth, more strategy, and more power in your relationships. Like the video if something clicked for you. Hit that bell icon so you never miss the next time we drop a psychological truth bomb. Remember, the strongest position you can hold is not needing her to feel whole. This is Psychology Insight, where real men learn how to lead with mind, not emotion. See you in the next one.